Friends, for today's gumagawa tayo ng squishy. Butter naman siya. And tapos ko na siyang i-drawing. Yan. I-highlight natin siya. Game! Game! Mga friends, alam niyo ba kasi kaya ako hina-highlight? Kasi, minsan pangit pag hinighlight kasi hindi makikita yung sulat. And then, nagpapaganda din ang pagpapa-highlight dito daw. Joke lang. Nag-joke lang po ako kasi sabi ko, duh. It's a joke lang ah. And I'm keeping this hanggat I have no budget to buy a real squishy. Don't worry, bibili ako ng real squishy. Update ko kayo agad sa YouTube. Mag-upload na ako lagi sa YouTube. Sana i-like nyo kahit mapadaan man tong video sa inyo. Like nyo po. Please like my video. Yun mga ka-friends. Yun mga friends. Don't you worry guys, kahit pangit yung gawa ko sa mga kahit ugly yung mga gawa ko sa mga squishy, it's okay for me. I just wanted a like and the support. We highlight this squishy all done. I already highlight. And let's get the dark blue, I guess. This one. And let's write. Bro, not this one. The other one. Yes, this one. Guys, please support me. Sorry, I just quiet because I'm focusing this one. I think it's very ugly because this is I made this and whatever I made is ugly. Please don't bash me because I'm poor. I don't care. Because my country is Philippines. Kasi guys, Tagalogin ko na nga lang. Sa mga guys, sa iba kong videos, English yun, diba? Kasi sanay naman ako mag-English. I know how to English. Okay? Let's color this one. What is this color? What is this color, bro? I can't get it. Ouch. I can't. Yes. I get. Oh, I think this is the right one. I guess I'm going to focus right now. I will update you if it's this done, okay? Bye. Guys, I'm done coloring this. I'm going to tape this one. I'm going to tape my squishy. Ouch. Let's put it in there. Wala na. Makapantay. Hmm. Oo nga pala. Hindi nga pala tayo. Hanggang dito na lang ako. Ay, para sa'yo. Oh, wow. Popoy. Hey guys, I'm sorry. Naka-play pala yung video, ngayon ko lang nakita. Sorry, Taki. Excuse me. Apa ito? Guys, tapos na. We'll put it back. Oh my goodness. I think I broke this. Oh no. I didn't broke. Wait a second. Ah. Let's cut! Let's cut! Guys, I'm tired. I'm so wet. At cut ko lang to. Update ko kayo. Guys, tapos ko na pala siyang i-cut. Ano ko? I-update ko na lang kayo pagtapos ko tong tapean. Tapos ko na siyang tapean. And yung side na lang itong kabila. Hindi ko napapatayin ng video. I-cut natin. Yan. Lalagyan natin ng yung pump. Tingnan natin kung kakasya na to. Hindi sakto. Titipan na natin. Titipan na natin. That means guys, tapos na. na siya. Yun lang, bye-bye!